Don't push the button. A Halloween Treat by Bill Cotter. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy.
Oh, yeah.
That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. Sigh. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door. Slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away.
Boo!
Again. Louder.
Boo!
That's better. Looks like there's a note. For Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't miss our next Halloween story. Pete the Cat's Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.